In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the PayPal Honey Shopping extension and save money effortlessly while shopping online. Let's dive right in, and by the end you'll be all set to enhance your shopping experience. First, we need to find the Honey Shopping extension. Head over to your preferred web browser and look for Honey Shopping extension. Once you find it, you'll notice it's available to add to major browsers such as Chrome, Firefox and others. Click on the link that allows you to add to Chrome or the browser you're using. This is a free extension and it's incredibly easy to install. Once you've clicked add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click on add extension and the download will begin. This only takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. When the installation is complete, you'll see the Honey icon in your browser's toolbar, usually located at the top right corner. This icon signals that the extension is active and ready to use. Now that you have Honey installed, let's get you signed in, which is essential to enjoy all its features. Click on the Honey icon and you'll see an option to join with PayPal. Selecting this will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. Simply enter your PayPal credentials, hit login and you're almost there. You'll then see a prompt to agree to the terms of service and complete the sign up. Click agree and complete sign up, and just like that you're all set with your account. With everything ready, using the Honey extension couldn't be simpler. The moment you visit a supported shopping site, Honey activates automatically. You don't have to click anything or adjust settings. It runs quietly in the background, seeking out all possible discounts. As you reach the checkout, Honey gets to work searching for and testing all available coupon codes. This means more savings for you without any effort. Should Honey find a coupon that yields better savings than what's currently applied to your cart, it will automatically apply it. You'll see the amended total in your cart, assuring you that you're getting the best possible price. You can then proceed with your purchase, confident you've saved as much as possible, but that's not all. With Honey, you can also earn Honey Gold rewards on eligible purchases. These rewards can then be redeemed for gift cards, giving you even more opportunities to save in the future. And there we have it. By following these steps, you've not only installed the PayPal Honey Shopping extension, but are now ready to make the most of your online shopping adventures. Remember, with Honey, saving is simple and automated, enhancing every purchase you make. Enjoy the savings and happy shopping.